Today on the Stay-at-Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make easy skillet cornbread. Everybody loves cornbread. It's super delicious and super easy to make. To start, you'll want to grab a 9-inch cast iron skillet. If you don't have a skillet though, you'll be making this in a 9x9 pan. Then we're going to place it into our oven and preheat the skillet along with our oven. Then go ahead and preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven and skillet are preheating, we can go ahead and make our cornbread batter. It starts with half a cup of melted butter. So I'm going to place my stick of butter into the bowl and then just pop it into the microwave until melted. Now once it's melted, we're going to whisk in up to 2/3 of a cup of sugar. And I say up to because people have pretty strong feelings about sugar in their cornbread. In the Midwest and Western United States, we tend to like our cornbread sweet. Call that cowboy style. But in the Southern US, they don't put any sugar at all in their cornbread. This recipe will work either way. Then we'll whisk in 2 large eggs until just combined. Then we'll add in half a teaspoon of baking soda and mix that in real quick. Then once that's combined, we'll pour in 1 cup of buttermilk. And you can also use a buttermilk substitute. There are lots of options. You can find those on my website. Then we'll get rid of our whisk and switch to a rubber spatula, and we'll add in half a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and then last, 1 cup of cornmeal. And we'll stir this all together. Just keep mixing until everything is combined. Super easy, super simple. And this recipe can easily be doubled if you want to use a 12-inch cast iron skillet or a 9x13 pan. Now there are different types of cornmeal. Some are more finely milled, like this one with smaller grains, while others are more coarse and gritty. Either will work in this recipe, but it will change the texture of your cornbread slightly. The more coarse grain will be a coarser cornbread. Then we'll grab our hot skillet from the oven, and then we'll pour our batter right into the hot skillet. Spread it out a little bit so that it covers the whole bottom of the pan, and bake this in the 375-degree oven for about 18 to 20 minutes. You'll know it's done when the top just starts to get a kiss of brown. Then you, my friends, are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.